Hello friends, welcome to my channel UPSC Achievers. Now I am going to share the GS1 book list by Anudeep Durishetty IAS. Indian Art and Culture, an Introduction to Indian Art, Class 11 NCERT. Chapters related to culture in ancient and medieval India NCERTs, CCRT materials. Heritage crafts, living craft traditions of India NCERT. For someone who is just starting now, this topic can overwhelm them. So, he suggests beginners read this section after they get acquainted with other GS topics. In art and culture, questions asked by UPSC in recent years are more analytical, which requires both the factual content and good analysis to answer the why and how. You can answer such questions well only when you understand the historical background in which art was produced. This is why it's important that you read NCERT 11 Ancient India, for it gives you that historical context. Make use of internet to watch both visual and performing arts to understand how they actually look in real life. You will be able to recollect such visuals more easily. This will help you write a decent answer for questions which you only have a vague idea about. Wherever relevant, draw diagrams to illustrate your answers. For instance, you can draw a rough sketch to show the features of Stupa, Dravida, Nagara style architecture, Paleolithic art, and folk art such as Warli, Harappan pottery. For example, in Warli art, human bodies are represented by triangles, heads by circles, and hands by simple lines. Just get these basics right. Indian culture requires a ton of memorization, and there is really no shortcut to mastering it except through multiple revisions. Modern Indian history. A brief history of modern India, Spectrum publication. India's struggle for independence. Read Bipin Chandra's. Read selectively for topics not covered in the Spectrum book. Questions on Indian history are something that every serious aspirant will answer well. So you really can't afford to let go of these questions. If you had done your prelims preparation for this topic well, that's good enough. You need to practice answer writing. India's post-independence history. India since independence by Bipin Chandra. Also make your own notes. World history. He prepared his own notes. Since revising this big book before the exam was difficult, he prepared concise notes from CRT books. The book list are class 11 and class 12 NCRTs and GC Leong. Indian society, there is generic nebulous topic with no style or structure. Questions are sometimes vague, philosophical, and challenge we face is not so much in lack of content as in presenting it consciously in 200 odd words. To understand the basics, read NCRT Sociology Standard, class 11 and class 12. Make concise notes on each topic that includes a crisp definition, latest statistics, government schemes, criticism of these schemes, causes of issues such as communalism and regionalism, historical and current examples, their impact on our society, and your suggestions as the way ahead. And get these suggestions from the internet or ARC report too, or some committee report. In case if you find good coaching material for all these topics, that I will do as well. For this topic, a generic answer with proper structure and subheadings that cover multiple dimensions is good enough to fetch you marks. Further getting the GS2 papers and the book list, kindly subscribe to this channel. Thank you.